What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to press that cute little pink subscribe button over there. Today I'm going to be going over my June 2018 Ipsy bag. I love Ipsy bags. I feel like it's Christmas each month. Like, you get a cute little bag with some fun stuff inside. So I do have makeup put on today because I didn't get very much makeup products. I got a lot of like skincare. I did get an eyeliner and a lip gloss, well, a lipstick, which I'll put on for you guys. So if you're curious to see what I got inside the bag, just keep watching. Alright, so this is this month's bag. It is super cute. It's about flying colors, and then it has like some YouTubers on here, which is really cute. So it's about Pride Month, and on the back it has this cute little saying. It says, Pride Month is so much more about sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to be completely themselves without fear or judgment. So that's why we're highlighting 7 LGBT creators who know what makes them different, and also what makes them beautiful. So I don't want to read the whole thing, but I just thought that was a cute little saying and about Pride Month. So this bag is super cute. So the products I got inside, I got a Lexi 245 small shader brush, which this brush is so stinking cute. I have the Lexi 249 that I got from Ipsy, and you just cannot have enough brushes. So super cute. The next thing that I got, which came outside the bag because it's too big, I got a Unicorn Glow facial mask, perfect radiance with chocolate, mulberry, and honey and botanic fiber. So this is the face mask. Super fun, and it's unicorns. I'm super excited to try that one out. And then next I got a Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. It's 5% glycolic acid and has aloe vera and ginseng in it. So I'm really excited to try it. I've been wanting to try new Pixi products, like their facial sprays and stuff. And I love toners. Like, I feel like toners are completely necessary on the face, just because it helps, you know, tone the skin, even out everything, help with redness and acne. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm gonna have to do an updated nighttime routine for you guys, so I can put on like this and like my face mask that I have. Super exciting. So one of the makeup products that I got, which is an eyeliner, and of course I am wearing eyeliner already. So I will give you a fun swatch. I just really like to do these videos. I'm always curious to see what other people get in their bags. So that's why I like to share it with you guys, just so like we can see all the differences in how they give out their bags and stuff. Because my mom also has an Ipsy bag, and we never get the same things. I mean, we'll sometimes get like the same thing, like the same brush. But usually we have like 3 out of the 5 different products. So it's always fun to see what other people get. So this is from Jean Bleu. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And it is the Professional Art Makeup Liquid Eyeliner 24 Hours. So this is the liner. And it is it's like a felt tip. OMG, this is like liquid felt tip. That came on like a lot. You see how it's like shiny? It came out so fast. So pretty. So I will actually, let's just enhance this wing a little bit so I can show you guys how it goes on the eye. Do you see how dark that was? OMG, that's so pretty. This one goes on so nicely. Love it. OMG, it goes on so nice. I love it. Okay. I just want to give you guys a little touch on the eyes, but I do have my makeup on. And if you're curious, this video is up already. It is the mini Ulta beauty haul. Sorry, I totally forgot what the video was. But it's a mini Ulta beauty haul, and just see what I got from Ulta and how I created this look. You should definitely go try that video out. So the last product that I got is a lip stain, and it is the Dose Luscious Lip Stain in the shade 619 Holiday Getaway. So I love getting my nails done, but for work, since I'm a nurse, you can't really have them done. You can't have like acrylics. You can have, some places will let you have them like painted and stuff. But I am trying out dip nails, which I really have been loving. They kind of look like fake nails, like they're really shiny. I've had them on for a week and a half now, but it's dip. Like they just put this polish on your finger, dip your nails in the powder, and that's it. So you don't have any tips. It's your fake, it's your real nails, not a fake nail. And I absolutely have been loving it. So if y'all are needing to try something out, you should definitely try the dip out. They're really cool. So let me give you guys a swatch of this lipstick. I'm gonna kind of stir it up. I feel like I can see the color and the liquid actually spread apart. Okay, so here is a swatch. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It's like a orangey, peachy red, which kind of matches the shirt. All right, let's put it on my lips. And I do have chapstick on my lips because it's so necessary. I hate having chapped lips. This smells weird. It kind of smells like, it does have a little scent to it, which is strange. So it's a lip stain, so it's definitely drying matte. Maybe I'll use this for like 4th of July. It's a really pretty orange. I don't have any, I take that back, I probably do. I have a complete drawer full of lipsticks, but I feel like I don't have an orange one. So pretty. Definitely matches my shirt. Anyways, that completes this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed all the fun stuff that I got from my Ipsy bag. Leave me down comments, and I want to see y'all's channels. If y'all have Ipsy bags, do you like them? Do you hate them? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. My mini Ulta haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to press that cute little pink subscribe button over there, and I'll see you in my next